Assalamualaikum everyone, myself Muhammad Yawar Ai and I'm 18 years old and studying in Rehan School, Islamabad. So today I am doing Tedx talk and I will be explaining about the topic climate change. So uh, the Tedx review is from uh, the TEDx review is from Ikra Khilji, which in which she talked about climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to long term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns, which natural processes can influence climate. The current rapid changes are mainly caused by human activities, especially since the late 800s. 1800s. Why it's happening? uh, there are a lot of issues, there are a lot of problems that is causing global warming and climate change, but specifics are burning fossil fuels. Everyone needs fossil fuels. Our daily life needs fossil fuel to burn. We use it to make electricity, and different things. We use them to stay warm. So burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas increases greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases form a blanket that traps heat from the sun. They traps heat from the sun, which warms the planet. Okay, so human activities like driving cars, generating electricity, manufacturing goods, and cutting down forest all release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. These are the main greenhouse gases which are main cause of the climate change. So scientists have shown that humans are responsible for almost all global warming over the last 200 years. Today, average surface temperature is significantly higher than before the Industrial Revolution. What are the effects of climate change slash global warming? Climate change affects people and nature in many ways. Climate change affects people in at temperature rises. Earth average temperature has risen and continues to reach record highs, with recent years being the warmest on record. Extreme weather, more heat waves, storms, floods, drought, and wildfires happen as climate warms. Sea level rise. Melting ice and warming oceans cause sea level to rise, threatening coastal communities. Impact on people. Climate change affects food, water, health, housing, jobs, and ecosystems. Vulnerable communities, especially in developing countries and small island states, are hit hardest. So, why every fraction of a degree matters? Scientists agree that keeping global warming under 1.5 degrees centigrade above pre industrial levels would help avoid the worst impacts of the climate change. Reaching or exceeding this limit increases the risk of catastrophic effect and people and also the ecosystems for animals and aquatic life. So, what can be done? This is the question which we should ask to ourselves, to the people, to the government, to everyone. So, the United Nations highlights three main types of actions: cut emissions, shift from fossil fuel to renewable energy like solar and wind. So we are burning fossil fuels for making electricities and different things, but there uh, there are wind and water and solar energy which can also be used as making electricity and electricity, which are not as catastrophic as the fossil fuels. Adopt. Number second, adopt. Prepare and protect communities from climate impacts. Protect the communities which are climate impact. Finance and transition. Support climate solutions, especially in the countries most affected, like South Africa. Global efforts like the Paris Agreement aim to limit warming and unite countries in climate action. So, the summary of this video is climate change is a long term warming and weather disruption of our planet, mainly driven by human activities that release greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It causing hotter temperature, stronger storms, rising seas, and many social and environmental problems. Scientists say urgent action, including reducing emissions and preparing for impacts, is essential to protect our future. This would be all. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know. And this is Yawar Said signing off. Thank you for watching.